Okay, my name is Eva Nyawira. I'm heading the licensing department at the National Transport and Safety Authority headquarters. And today we are here in Kisii, and we are discussing two regulations, the school transport regulation and the heavy commercial regulations. So under the heavy commercial regulations, there are few issues that we've proposed under the regulations. And one of them is the licensing of the operators and the licensing of the vehicles, the heavy commercial vehicles. The other safety issues that we've been able to address is the underride protective device that is providing when there is a small vehicle that is driving behind a trailer or a heavy commercial vehicle, and also the reflective material that is supposed to enhance the visibility of the tracks. So that is about the heavy commercial, and also the issue of the towing for those stalled trucks on our roads, so that we avoid them colliding or other road users colliding with them. And those are the main issues. Under the school transport regulations, we've also been able to introduce the school license, the school operator license, and also the vehicle license. We call them the road service license under the regulation. Then the issue of the vehicles that this rule will apply to those operators, the school vehicles, the school transport operators. And also now there is the introduction of a NAM that is ensuring the safety of the children. There is the introduction of an attendant who will be helping the driver to ensure that the children board and alight on the vehicle safely, and also they close safely. And also the issue of the responsibility of the operator and also the responsibility of the drivers. So here it's not an issue that this is the school-owned vehicle, so the school is responsible. Also the driver is also responsible to ensure that the vehicle is mechanically sound, that it doesn't drive above the 8 hours, then the hours of driving, the hours of operation. We've introduced, or we've suggested that we have 5 p.m. to 5 a.m. to 10 p.m. at night. So there are so many issues that have been discussed here. We've gotten very good feedback from the people of Kisii, and we really appreciate. And also we had the support of the National Police Service. We had the county government coming in, and also the Ministry of Education. So it's an all-inclusive public participation, and also the Kenya Roads Board. That was the highlight, and we really appreciate that they were here. Thank you.